exercise a daily habit. Most people don't have a very active lifestyle. They work long hours sitting in front of a computer and then they come home to sit on the couch and watch television. That's okay to an extent. But it's important to take some time to exercise and stay fit. You'll always feel more energetic, and you'll look and feel better. There are also other benefits to being more active. It can help relieve stress, reduce feelings of depression, and improve your life. It's important to find an exercise routine that you like and stick to it. If you don't exercise regularly, you'll just fall back into your old ways. Here are some ways to get started. Exercise is a vital part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Try implementing steps to make exercising a daily habit. Go to the gym Monday to Friday and usually twice on the weekends. Stay dedicated to your exercise routine and you'll notice the results in as little as 2 weeks. Keep a detailed plan with daily reminders so it's easier to make time for exercise. Exercise can be as fun as you make it, so try to find a type you enjoy. The importance of exercise is to improve the health of your heart, lungs, and muscles. Also, it improves your mood, helps you lose weight, and can help you sleep better, thus maintaining a healthier body. One of the best ways to improve your health is to start exercising. There are many benefits to exercise. You'll be able to increase the ability of your heart and lungs and improve your overall sense of well-being. Exercise also helps reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. If you make daily exercise a habit, you'll notice a huge change in your mental and physical health. In order to develop the habit, you'll need to start small. Choose a form of exercise that you enjoy. Whether it's swimming or running or biking, it's all beneficial to your health. If you want to have an active lifestyle, you need to exercise regularly. If you can't do it every day, at least do it 3 times a week. Your body will thank you for building up your stamina. Exercise is an essential part of leading a healthy lifestyle. And how do you make it a daily habit? By finding a time to do it every day and sticking with it. Some prefer to exercise in the morning, while others find the best time to exercise is in the evening. Find a positive way to motivate yourself and get a schedule in place that will help you achieve your goals. It's important that you don't skip any days of exercising, as that can cause you to give up altogether. You don't have to be in shape to start exercising. It doesn't matter if you're thin or obese, all that matters is that you want to be healthier and put forth the effort to do so. For a lot of people, it's hard to exercise because they're not in the mood, don't have the time, or don't feel comfortable in their current state. Make exercising a habit and you'll never even notice that you're doing it. Take small steps to do whatever exercise you want to do. For example, if you want to go on a run, just put your running shoes on every day and you'll eventually build up the willpower to go for a run. You don't need to be in great shape to start, and you don't have to do it for long periods of time either. Just get out and exercise and you'll feel better about yourself in no time. Sticking to regular exercise is important if you're to stay in shape. Fortunately, there's a bunch of ways you can do it. Whether you want to swim, walk, run, or dance, there's a way to exercise and feel great while doing it. Some people want to do it for weight loss, while others just want to feel healthier or release stress. One thing is for sure, though. Exercise is vital to your health. If you have a regular routine, you'll feel better and be less likely to catch a cold. It can also boost your immune system and lower stress. Not only that, but it will give you better posture and muscles, allowing you to live a more active and fun-filled life. With so many exercise options available, there's no excuse to not get moving. Making exercise a daily habit can be difficult at first, especially if you've never made it a daily habit before. but it's easier than you think. I recently made exercise a daily habit and I'm already feeling great. Here's how I did it. First, I make sure to only exercise in my home. Anywhere else is too distracting. Then, I make sure to do a variety of exercises. I do squats, push-ups, curls, and lunges. Then, I make sure to do 15 to 20 minutes of cardiovascular exercises. If you're not sure on what kind of exercises you can do, you can always find a how-to guide on the internet or consult a professional. Finally, I make sure to exercise in the morning or after dinner. Make exercise a daily habit. Nobody likes to feel sluggish and out of breath. When it comes to health and wellness, exercise is an important part of the process. However, many people don't enjoy exercise or don't know how to make it fun and rewarding. Luckily, there's a range of ways to make exercise a daily habit and improve your health overall. Exercise doesn't have to be this hard thing that you dread. When you run or cycle in the mornings and eat a healthy breakfast, you won't be too tired to do some workouts. And since exercise is vital for your health, you should be doing it regularly. It's important to do research and figure out what the best kinds of exercise are for your goals. You should always wear the right workout clothes and shoes. But that should be a bit of fun. You can also reward yourself by buying new workout clothes. Regardless of what you choose, you should find a way to make exercise a regular thing. It'll improve your mood, boost your energy, and strengthen your bones. And if you do it right, you just might find it to be one of the most fun things you do for yourself. Not only is exercise great for your physical health, it is also good for your mental health and can improve your quality of life. It's important to exercise on a daily basis, even if you're not feeling like it. Start by taking the stairs instead of the lift or escalator. Buy a pedometer and walk 10,000 steps per day. Buy an exercise ball and use it to do some sit-ups. You can even dance while you're listening to your favorite music. Exercise doesn't have to be as intense as going to the gym or jogging for 20 minutes. It can be fun and a good way to clear your mind. Exercising daily can be good for your health and for strengthening your relationships with the people around you. Exercising regularly can help keep depression and anxiety away, leaving you feeling great and ready to take on the world. You'll increase your stamina and energy level from the exercise, as well as reducing your chances of obtaining serious health problems such as heart disease. Even if you're not an active person, it's possible to easily change that. Try starting out by walking for 30 minutes a day. If you have a buddy, go with them. If you don't, podcasts and music are great ways to keep yourself from getting bored. Very soon it will become natural to get out and move. It's an unfortunate fact that many don't have the time or motivation to exercise regularly. But according to recent studies, exercise can be essential for your health. Some benefits include more energy, better sleep, a stronger immune system, and a clearer mind. Not to mention, it helps you feel younger and more vibrant. Here are a few easy ways to make exercise a daily habit. It's always a good idea to include exercise as a daily habit in your routine, especially if you want to stay healthy and strong. The point of exercise is to improve your health in various ways. On a basic level, exercise makes your body feel better by strengthening the muscles and bones and boosting your immune system. Exercise also helps improve blood circulation, which can be a problem for some people. But the real benefits of exercise come from the psychological aspect. It can make you more aware of your body and also help you relieve stress and keep your mood up. Exercise is an important part of your day. If you hate it, consider making subtle changes throughout your day to gradually include more of it in your life. For example, You could take the stairs instead of the elevator, or even try doing push-ups while you're watching the news. The important thing is just to get started. With goals and self-discipline, you will get stronger and healthier. Content. If you are looking to start a business, it's important to put in the hard work to make sure it's successful. Find a mentor or even join an organization that can help you get started. Sites like http://www.siteslikeFliply.com can help you find a great hotel for your next vacation. Keep learning more about your business and the industry. This is the best way to become a successful entrepreneur. For anyone who is a bit lazy about exercise, studies have shown that you'll decrease your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Plus, if you get your heart rate up, you'll also be able to burn more calories. The key to exercise is making it a daily habit. A lot of people try to do too much all at once, and it becomes too much to handle. Instead, start with something small, like taking the stairs or parking further away from the store. Eventually, you'll work up to running or some other more difficult exercise. It's a good idea to exercise every day. It can be as simple as taking a walk around your neighborhood, going for a jog in the park, or taking a swim at the local pool. If you do this every day, you'll be in shape in no time. Maintain a daily exercise routine to stay fit and to improve your overall health. Staying healthy is important, and if you want to live a long, full life, eat well and exercise regularly. Doing so will help keep you feeling young and more energetic, making it easy to accomplish each and every task in your life. The benefits of exercise are plentiful and well documented. Regular physical activity decreases the risk of many chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and arthritis. It also improves mental health, making you more resilient to stress and anxiety, and improves your overall quality of life. To get the most out of exercising, make it a habit by setting aside the time each day to fit in a workout. Make a routine out of it, and you'll be more likely to continue exercising. Exercising is a great way to get healthy, look good, and stay focused. It can also help improve your mood and alleviate stress. With so many health benefits and the ability to control your own happiness through your actions, it's no surprise that so many people exercise and make it a part of their life. A lot of people decide to make exercise a daily habit because it's easier to force yourself to exercise once a day than it is to exercise 3 to 4 times a week. Exercise creates positive emotions, improves your attitude, and keeps your body healthy and energetic. The more often you exercise, the easier it will become to make it a daily habit. It's hard to make exercise a daily habit. Find a good exercise buddy. A good exercise buddy is someone you can talk to and hold you accountable for not skipping your workouts. Some people like to join an exercise program or fitness class, but it can be expensive and time-consuming. Starting small is always a good choice. If you have a good exercise buddy and you both exercise on a regular basis, you'll be more likely to stick to your exercise plan and remind each other not to skip a day of exercise. Although exercise is important for your health, it's easy to forget about it when you're busy with other things. You may have even tried to start a daily exercise routine, only to give up after a few days. The secret to making exercise a regular part of your life is to take things slowly and make it as convenient as possible. If you're trying to start a new routine, make sure to give yourself a couple of weeks to get used to things, and to make sure that it fits into your schedule. The important thing is to make exercise a daily habit. Don't think about it as something you have to do every day, but instead think about it as something you always do. In other words, make it a habit. Once you make exercise a habit, it will become a regular part of your life. Having a daily habit of exercise can be one of the most difficult things to do, but it's also one of the best things you can do for yourself. It's important you get enough exercise each day in order to stay healthy and maintain your energy levels throughout the day. It's not too much to ask that you exercise for a few minutes every day, but the more you exercise, the healthier you'll be. Start small and you'll feel better. It's important to make exercise a daily habit. This will not only improve your physical health, but it will also improve your mental health and make you feel happier. There's a wide range of reasons why you should exercise every day. First, you'll look and feel better. Not only that, but you'll also help reduce your chances of getting diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Exercising is also good for your bones and joints, and it can even help you sleep better. Make exercise a daily habit and you'll be leaps and bounds ahead of your peers. Making exercise a daily habit is one of the best things you can do for yourself. It will reduce stress and make you happier. Many people join gyms, but making exercise a part of your daily routine is something you can do at home. Simply taking a walk will get you moving. If you want to do strength training, there are plenty of apps and videos you can go through. You should exercise for at least 10 minutes every day. This is a good amount of time to do something. You can even do more than that if you want. If you want to build muscle, it's important to have a good diet as well. Exercise will maximize your efforts though. People in all walks of life can benefit from exercising. It makes you feel good about yourself and it will improve your health. Exercising not only improves your health, but it also significantly improves your mood. When you're healthy in both mind and body, you'll find that you have more energy and it will be easier to push through the day. Exercise can be hard to fit into your busy schedule, but it's important to do it consistently because it will help keep you in shape for many years to come. Working out can also be extremely fun and have a lot of enjoyable benefits such as weight loss and increased endurance. It can be a great way to relieve stress, socialize with people, and learn new skills, so make exercise part of your daily routine and you'll be healthier, happier. With a busy schedule, it can be difficult to stay active. Exercise is a key component to living a healthy lifestyle, so how can you stay focused on keeping up with it? Establish an exercise schedule and stick to it. Some people like to exercise in the morning while others prefer to fit it in at night. What works for one person may not work for another. Find a time that works best for you and stick with it. Try to set a goal of exercising for at least 30 minutes a day. Schedule time to exercise each day. If you make it part of your schedule, you're more likely to stick with it. Content: make the time to exercise a daily habit and schedule an exercise session at the same time each day. For example, you may want to go for a jog at the same time every morning or go to a yoga class every day from 5:30 to 6 o'clock. There are many things you can do to develop a habit. To develop a habit, you need to have a habit goal and a trigger. You also need to make sure you have the resources and time to complete the habit. Add details. Habit goal: make exercise a daily habit. Trigger: having your exercise outfit laid out the night before. Resources: having a solid exercise routine ready to follow, a gym membership, a treadmill, and a pair of running shoes. Time to complete: 30 minutes before work. So what are you going to do today versus tomorrow?